Just smoke on the only pitch he saw. It advanced Michael Young from second to third. The bat goes flying, but they were ready for it, and no harm done, just a souvenir. That guy fearlessly grabbed it on the fly, it looked like.
That had some pretty good distance to it, but nothing like the couple that we saw him throw in spring training. Yeah, you can try to catch that, but best thing to do is duck out of the way. Don't take any chances while that thing helicopters in the air toward you. Sure did catch that thing. Pretty good concentration.
No kidding. That is your hard-earned souvenir.